man's flagging him down. What's going on, everybody? We're having a great morning, great afternoon, great evening, whatever time you're watching this video. Today, as you can tell by the title, we're picking up the new wheels. So right now, we are on the way, bringing Kenny with me today, and about to go get the wheels. So stay tuned, and I'll let you know as soon as we get on the road. What's going on, everybody? We just got finished getting the moolah, the bands, the Benjis. Just getting it at 20s. We got old Kenneth with us today. We about to go get some Lord's food. The Lord's food. Can I get 2 spicy boys? Got that sack, Kenny. What's going on, everybody? We are back at the gas station, and we just got the wheels picked up. Right now, we got the 22-inch by 10, I believe, or 22 by 9.5-inch Badlands in chrome. That's the new setup, but we have to clean them up. Obviously, they're a little dirty, but we're gonna get that. We're gonna clean them on the backside as well. Not too bad tread for the price I got them. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to this episode. I feel like I haven't talked to y'all in a minute because I haven't. It's been about 3 or 4 days. But my little brother, I don't know if most of you know, but I know my close friends know. My little brother has Down syndrome, and he had strep throat, so he went to the hospital. So I had to leave work early Friday to go see and check on him, and luckily he felt better, got out of the hospital, and he was throwing up and whatnot. But anyways, not to start the video on a bad note, but that's why I haven't made this video yet, and I finally got around to doing it. And also, if you can see in the bed right there, I had to order the center caps for the beloved wheels we got. Like I said, we got the 22 by 10 XD Hosses, not Badlands, if I said that earlier. I can't remember if I did or not, but they're Hosses. So, got the center caps today finally. We just picked up some stuff from Harbor Freight. We have center caps, our tailgate handle, because that freaking broke. We got some deep well sockets and some other stuff down there. And we're going to have to cut the bumper, needless to say. But we're going to put those bad boys on today. Shout out to Kenny for the jack. And we're going to see what she looks like. Don't you do it. Alright, so first and foremost, before we even get the wheels started, we can't put wheels on a filthy truck. I don't know, the sunlight's going down, obviously, but can't get wheels on a filthy truck. So, we're about to wash. Alright, everybody, took the first tire off, and well, when you work on stuff, you find out stuff that's wrong that you obviously didn't know beforehand. But right now, you see this crack in this tie rod right here. Get a little ever slight movement, and it's moving like that. You're gonna need new ones, so I'm gonna have to get some kryptonite tie rods. Coral, say what's up. Say what's up, Coral. What is going on, beautiful people of YouTube? Today we are back because I had to order the wheel lugs, or the lug nuts, just like I suspected. But they got here, Amazon Prime, 2 days shipping. Sorry for the delay of this video. I've been looking for it for a while, and some of you may have as well. I don't know, maybe not. But we're on the way to Pat's house to get them right now, and hopefully today we can freaking install them. Got some new Ray-Bans, by the way. I will catch y'all as soon as we get to Pat's house. This, my friends, is what we've been waiting on for the past 2 days. Out there. Here's the tool. Oh yeah. gonna repeat the process on all of these, and I'm gonna show you what they look like. Obviously, like I said, they need cleaning, but not too bad. I know you can't see the difference, but I think she fits good. I know I'm gonna have to. I already bought the whatchamacallit, the tape one, and we're gonna tighten this up too while we're at it. But got the spike lug nuts. Came in 2 days from Amazon. Fit nice. Just a little baby stance. I also need new tie rods. Like I said in the beginning of the video, I also need new tie rods. Learned that earlier, so that's great. Oh, I can't, dude. What's going on, everybody? We just got the wheels put on. You already know the deal. Yes, sir. Gotta clean them up, but way better stance than before. I'm gonna have to cut this freaking bumper a lot. Cause when I turn it here, it's definitely gonna hit like right about in this whole area right here. So all that's gotta come off. Luckily I got some new blades. Now what we have to do, ladies and gentlemen, is cut this right here. And ooh, I gotta tighten up the zip tie, and then she'll be sitting at least like that a little bit. But I have to cut right about here, because when I turn, this whole side actually, I'm not sure if it's sitting a little lower, but it hits about right here. So I'm gonna do a little cut right here. Got some masking tape. We're gonna put it on, and then we're gonna trim away with this cutting wheel. Yep, and now I'm going ahead and I'm removing the chrome. So this is what happens when you do plastic dip correctly. Comes off nice and easy. Look at all that. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching the video. If you did enjoy the video, like, comment, and subscribe. Please subscribe, it means a lot to me, guys. Without further ado, I'm gonna show you the new wheels.
When I pull up on a hater, watch a hater fall back. I'm too good with these hands, watch a hater fall flat. If I die, all I know, I'm a motherfucking legend. It's so great for my city, I'm the realest one that's reppin'. Oh my God, if I die, I'm a legend. When they lay me down to rest, I know I was always reppin'. Oh my God, my whole life, my word's been my greatest weapon. I know I been the coast's greatest blessing. Better recognize a king when he rapping with you. You hoes suck, it's like you always bring a vacuum with you. Silent like a mannequin, but you